everybody, I'm Addie from STEAM Within You, and today I'll be reading Dragons Love Tacos. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell of the sizzling pan, or the crunch of the crispy tortillas, or maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to be friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey dragon, why do you guys like tacos? But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. We really need to get rid of this. If salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, one drop of hot salsa makes a dragon's ears smoke. And one single speck of the hot peppers makes their snort spice. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles, and when dragons have the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, well, you have to keep the toppings mild, like tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese. These are all good toppings for dragons. Hey dragon, how do you feel about spicy salsa? It seems like you guys can't stand it. Dragons love parties. They love costume parties. They love pool parties. And like big giant parties with accordions. And tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversations. Maybe it's the dancing. Or maybe it's the comforting sound of good friends' laughter. The only things dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are what dragons love best. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you need buckets of tacos. Pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat full of tacos. And boats full of tacos. That's about how many tacos you need for dragons to have a taco party. After all, dragons do love tacos. Hey dragon, are you excited for the taco party? Here you go. Just remember, when you invite the dragons over for the taco party, that dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with the dragons, get rid of the salsa. In fact, bury it in your backyard so that the dragons can't find it. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music, the decorations, and especially the tacos. Congratulations. Good thing that you got rid of all that spicy salsa. Wait a minute. Are those green? What are those green things in the salsa? Did you read the fine print? Well, it says, totally mild salsa. Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. What? We didn't read the description. I thought we got rid of all the spicy salsa. Dragons, listen. Do not eat those tacos. Those green things in there are green specks in the salsa. Those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. You know that dragons love tacos. But are they going to love those tacos? Don't let those dragons eat the tacos. Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh no. They ate this also. So because the dragons ate the salsa, I'm sorry, your house burned down. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good citizens. Or maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Do you know? Oh, yes, you're right. It's because they're in there for the taco breaks. After all, dragons do love tacos.
Go.
I think this book is really cool, Dragons Love Tacos, because it is STEM related in many different ways. Like you might just think, oh yeah, this is just a really cool kids book. Well, really, it actually is science related. Like on the other aspect of STEM, it is showing food science and how you mix different ingredients in to make your chocolate chip cookies, or how to make your salad. And I think that's really cool. So what is the next thing you're going to make?